Data loss is one of the most frustrating problems anyone can experience. Photos, videos, documents, and work files can disappear in seconds due to accidents, hardware failure, or software issues. In this video, you'll learn how to back up your data properly so you can avoid data loss and protect what matters most. Let's start with a simple truth. If your data exists in only one place, it is not safe. Many people believe data loss only happens to others, but in reality, it can happen to anyone. That's why backups are essential. Now, let's talk about the most common types of backups. The safest approach is combining both. This is known as the 3-2-1 backup rule. Now let's discuss what data you should back up. Next, let's talk about backup frequency. Automation is key. Now let's look at common backup mistakes. Let's talk about long-term backup habits. In conclusion, proper backups protect you from stress, loss, and wasted time. Your data represents memories, work, and personal history. It deserves protection. By combining local and cloud backups, automating the process, and maintaining good habits, you can avoid data loss completely. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next how-to guide.